It's been one of the most challenging series I've been part of. There have been many injuries. Many players got an opportunity to, make debut for the Indian team and play in Australia. Someone like Rishabh Pant, Shubman Gill, they have done exceptionally well in the IPL. And when they got an opportunity to play in Test format for the Indian team, they didn't feel any pressure. We stuck to our game plan. We played as a team. Ajinkya led the team really well when Virat left. Credit goes to all the young players who were, playing their second, third, or some of the guys who were making their debuts. They handled the pressure really well. Always feel that once you have a very good bowling lineup, our bowlers were able to take 20 wickets. To win a Test series, you need to, bowl the opposition out as early as possible, and you need bowlers who can pick 20 wickets. Day 5, we always thought that it will never be easy, but we were very confident that it's going to be a good pitch. It lasted really well for first 4 days, so we thought that even day 5 could be a little challenging, but it was still a good pitch to bat on. So as a team, we thought that if we play the first session well, then we'll have our chances. And my goal was to bat well in the first session, make sure that we don't lose too many wickets in that session. When I was not out at lunchtime, I told myself that I've done the job. Now the second and third session will be our session, because the ball was old. They were a little tired, so we can start scoring runs now. And we had players like Shubman, Rishabh, Ajinkya, who were batting at that time. So I thought that if we bat well in the second session, we'll at the end of second session we'll be in a position where they'll be under pressure. And that is what happened. We batted well in the second session. There was a good partnership with Shubman even in the first session, and we carried on for a bit in the second session. Ajinkya came in, he batted well, and unfortunately he got out. But the moment Rishabh came in, he started playing his natural game. So the partnerships were really important. I felt that the partnership with Shubman and Rishabh were the most crucial one for that particular Test match. And when I was, getting it on my body, I told myself that, yes, it's painful, it's hurting, but my focus was on the ultimate goal, which was to, win that particular Test match. And even if we don't win, I had to ensure that, Australian team can't win at any point. So even if it's a draw, we were still happy with it. But there was a situation where, we were very comfortable, and the way Rishabh batted, we had enough overs, and he plays his natural game. So eventually we chased the target.